The Diodario mic mute should be an interesting problem solver. So when Diodario contacted me and asked me if I'd like to try one out, I was all in. Anyone that has mixed live music knows all about the issue of stage wash bleeding into live mics, be it cymbals, snares, loud guitars, on and on. The mic mute looks to solve that issue by automatically turning a connected mic off when the musician is not around the vocal mic. Another way these can be used is as a switchless talkback mic for IEMs. The mic should stay off until the band leader steps to the mic to speak, and then the mic will automatically turn on for him. All hands-free. So let's look at how this works. We also have one of the Diodario swivel XLR cables here, but these will work with any XLR cables. This requires phantom power, so you'll need to send phantom power from the console to the mic mute to power it.
Got anything?
Hey, check 1, 2.
It has two simple controls on it, a dial and a button. The button controls muting on and off. The dial controls how sensitive the mic mute will be to your distance to the microphone. The settings read 1 to 9, which it says equals 0 inches to 24 inches. At 0 inches, you would need to be right up on the mic and then some to trigger it. As you adjust the dial setting higher, you get more distance between you and the mic to trigger it.
Check. 1, 2, 3. 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 Check. 1, 2, 3.
And then here, I asked Elijah to work off axis on the mic to see how the mic mute reacted.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3.
And once again, it worked perfectly.
Hey. Check 1, 2.
The mic mute simply connects between your mic and your mic cable. The red light tells you that the mic mute is open, that it is on. In other words, it is not muting when you see the red light on. Don't forget to engage the phantom power on your channel for your console to power the mic mute. As far as dialing in the range, this is nothing you'll need a tape measure for. Just find a workable range and that'll be that. These definitely come highly recommended. I'll leave links to these below. Here's another video you might want to check out. Comments or questions, drop those below. Likes and subscribes, always appreciated. And I will see you next time.